Siemens, right, is gaining in trade after reporting its first quarter numbers. Vamakshi is joining in with some details about the numbers themselves. Vamakshi, take it away.
Well, absolutely, Prashant. This time around what the company has done is reported the demerged energy businesses numbers under discontinued operations. So therefore, first let's concentrate on the continued operations. Revenue saw a degrowth of almost 3%. When we look at the EBITDA margin, they've contracted by 104 basis points. The EBITDA is resultantly seeing a fall of nearly 12%, and the net profit from the continued operations have degrown by almost 10%. Largely, when we look at the revenue degrowth, it is being driven by smart infra, which is down nearly 14%. Mobility is seeing a downtick of nearly 4%. Digital industry is down nearly 24%. When we look at the margins for most of these segments as well, for smart infra, the margins have improved by 337 basis points. Mobility is seeing an improvement of 60 basis points, while for digital industries, it's a sharp knock of 652 basis points. Now, when we look at the numbers for the energy business, which is the demerged entity, now the revenue is up nearly 28%, so very strong growth out here. The PBT margin also is seeing a substantial improvement from 11.37% to 22.68%, and the net profit has surged sharply higher to 242.5 crores. So overall, when we look at the numbers, X of the demerger, the company has not performed as well. Thirdly, when we look at the order inflow was up nearly 20% for Siemens. The management said that the performance of the continued operations was impacted by a slowdown in the short cycle private sector capex spending, as well as normalization of demand in the digital industries business. So overall, when we look at the numbers for Siemens, from especially the continued operations, not such a great set, but the energy business has reported a good performance.
Vamakshi, very sort of good explanation of the numbers themselves, and not easy because of the the discontinued operations as you dissected there. Mayuresh, any thoughts on these names? Not just Siemens, but I was talking to somebody